Have you ever wondered what it takes to start a career in the accounts department of a US outsourcing company? Today, we're going to guide you through the steps to achieve just that. First and foremost, it's crucial to obtain a relevant degree. This would typically be a bachelor's degree in accounting, finance, or a related field. Beyond the degree, professional certifications such as Certified Public Accountant, Certified Management Accountant, or Chartered Global Management Accountant can greatly enhance your credentials. Once your educational foundation is solid, it's time to develop key skills. You'll want to master popular accounting software like QuickBooks, SAP, or Oracle. Excel proficiency is also highly valued, alongside a keen eye for detail and strong communication skills. But how can you gain practical experience? Internships or entry-level positions in accounting or finance are a great start. Volunteering for non-profit organizations or small businesses can also be an excellent way to build your resume. Networking is another crucial step. Attending industry events, conferences, and networking groups can help you connect with professionals in the field. Online networking platforms like LinkedIn are also valuable tools for making connections and participating in industry discussions. Next, you'll need to update and tailor your resume. Highlight your education, relevant skills, internships, and any related experience. Don't forget to showcase specific accounting-related coursework or projects you've completed. When it comes to job searching, explore job boards such as Indeed, LinkedIn, and Glassdoor for open positions in outsourcing companies. You can also check the career pages of outsourcing companies for job listings and apply directly on their websites. Preparing for interviews is an important step. Familiarize yourself with the outsourcing company's services, clients, and values, and be ready to discuss your accounting knowledge, experience, and problem-solving skills. Finally, remember that learning doesn't stop once you've landed the job. Stay informed about industry trends, changes in accounting standards, and technological advancements in the field. Consider pursuing additional certifications or attending workshops to continually enhance your skills. Starting a career in the accounts department of a US outsourcing company may seem daunting, but following these steps will set you on the right path. Good luck on your journey.